Now that we know how RAM is organized into addresses, let's look inside Python to see how variables act as labels, pointing to objects.
Building directly on our study of memory addresses, we now examine references, pointers, and object allocation in detail.
In Python, variables are not storage boxes. They are symbolic references or sticky notes attached to objects living in heap memory.
Every single object created in Python gets a unique memory address and a permanent identifier accessible via the id function.
When you execute an assignment statement, Python binds the variable name to the target object's memory location without copying data. Multiple variables can reference the exact same underlying object, creating LIs references across your running program.
Mutable objects, like lists, can be modified in place instantly, affecting every single variable pointing to that exact memory address. Immutable objects, like strings and tuples, prevent in-place modification, meaning updates force the interpreter to allocate a brand new object.
Underneath Python's clean syntax-level structures like pobject manage reference counts and type headers for every single piece of data.
While reference-based memory management provides immense flexibility and dynamic typing, it introduces minor pointer differencing overhead during execution. Production systems leverage object interning for small integers and common strings catching memory allocations to optimize performance.
Unintentional side effects occur when developers modify mutable default arguments or fail to realize two variables share the same object reference.
Garbage collection in Python relies heavily on reference counting, immediately reclaiming memory when an object's reference count drops to 0. Unlike Cork, where developers manually manage pointer arithmetic and explicit memory allocation, Python automates references safely behind the scenes. Cyclic references occur when two or more objects reference each other, forming isolated loops that standard reference counting cannot clear on its own. Python's generational garbage collector solves cyclic references by periodically scanning container objects across 3 distinct generations.
Understanding shallow versus deep copies is crucial when managing references, as shallow copies duplicate container references, while deep copies duplicate nested data.
Operator is checks for exact memory address identity, whereas operator checks for value equality across distinct memory locations. Function parameter passing in Python follows call by object reference, meaning parameter bindings act as local references to past arguments. Mastering references and memory allocation empowers you to write highly efficient but free data structures that scale gracefully in production.